Drill installation holes in the door panel. Connecting wire through center hole. Fix the fingerprint module with screws. Locating the lock body installation position. Secure with the help of adhesive tape. Connecting wire inserted into the lock, outward facing with 4 metal points. Attach the lock to the marked position. Can put the batteries in first. Sticky latch. Close the door and press the latch to the side panel. Perform an unlocking. Screws to reinforce the lock after opening. Put the battery back in. Screws to reinforce the latch. Installation completed.